The cute stone play kitchen features lifelike equipment and accessories, including an electronic burner with steam and a play sink with running water, offering an authentic cooking experience for children. The pretend stove burner includes a fun steam function, while the water sink toy uses a water circulation system to conserve water, allowing kids to wash pretend food and clean up after themselves. This play kitchen set is designed to be both educational and entertaining, helping children develop practical, imaginative, linguistic, and social skills through engaging role-playing games. The kitchen playset is easy to assemble, with installation instructions provided in the manual and tutorial videos available for reference, ensuring a hassle-free setup process. Ideal for children aged 3 and up, this play kitchen makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions, enhancing any play area with its interactive features. With its realistic design and various accessories, the cute stone play kitchen encourages kids to tidy up and organize, fostering a habit of keeping their play space neat and clean.